Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the way we collaborate? This intriguing question invites us to explore the fascinating intersection of AI and collaboration. As we navigate the 21st century, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives, playing a significant role in shaping our present and future. From sophisticated algorithms predicting our online shopping preferences to chatbots providing customer service, AI is everywhere. But what about collaboration? Can AI truly enhance the way we work together? Absolutely. By introducing AI tools into our collaborative efforts, we can streamline teamwork, making our processes more efficient and effective. Imagine a world where AI not only simplifies mundane tasks but also assists in complex decision-making, fostering creativity and enhancing productivity. Indeed, the potential is immense. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, let's consider how it's already affecting collaboration in real-world scenarios. Consider the case of Innovate Inc., a multinational corporation that recently integrated AI tools into their day-to-day operations. Before this integration, Innovate Inc. was grappling with issues commonplace in many businesses today. The struggles were manifold: inefficient communication, time-consuming manual tasks, and a lack of actionable insights from their data. The solution: the introduction of AI tools into their workflow. Let's delve into how this unfolded. The first step in Innovate Inc.'s journey was task automation. Routine tasks such as scheduling meetings, organizing files, and managing project timelines were automated using AI, freeing up valuable time for team members to focus on more strategic, creative tasks. This was no small change. It was a game changer. Suddenly, teams found themselves with more time to innovate and less time spent on mundane tasks. Next came the integration of real-time analytics. By leveraging AI, Innovate Inc. was able to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing teams with immediate insights